Hi friends, it's the best day of the week. It is a fix day. Hi, I'm Shannon and I am here to show you my fix. I would say my first real fix for fall 2025. I actually got 8 pieces this fix, and I know right now Stitch Fix is giving fixes a variety of sizes, anywhere from 5 to 8, and so people ask me, how do I get a fix with 8 items? Well, I always pick 8 items that I like in the preview, and then if I want something swapped out, I do, or you can tell your stylist, like, I liked everything, but maybe not this item, maybe you can find something better. So if you want to get a surefire 8 item fix, select 6 in the preview, or 8 in the preview. Anyway, let's jump into this fix. I already have on the first 3 pieces, and it's kind of a mixed bag. Nothing is like blowing me away, but you guys can let me know. So everything head to toe is Stitch Fix except for the earrings. The first item is this white, it's a linen cotton blend blouse by Design History, XL $23.97, so it's on sale. I thought it was a full button down, but it's not, but it was on sale, which I do appreciate. Let me fix the collar. But I do kind of just like a classic white blouse. It is XL, but I don't think it looks too big. Let me know what you guys think. I don't think I have a good classic white blouse right now. And actually, in some ways, maybe it's good that it isn't a full button down, because I think sometimes you get the gaping, which we women do not like. And it is on sale, so that's nice. Number 2 is the skirt. This is the Nina skirt by Daniel Rain. It's in a burnt orange color. This is an XL. This actually is on sale, even though it's very fall inspired, for $36.97. I think I could probably use a large in this, but it is elastic waist, so we could probably keep it. I'm not a huge fan of orange. What do you guys think? It does have a fun fall vibe. I don't know if this white blouse is how I would style it. I feel like I might do a white sweater with it. I think it is cute. I don't know if I have to have it though. I will do a quick spin for you though. All right. I'm trying to stand a little stiller. Sometimes when I watch my videos back, I realize like I'm constantly moving and fidgeting. Maybe I'm just a little self-conscious. Anyway, so trying to do less of that this time. And then the third item I'm wearing is actually, I believe, the most expensive item I've ever received from Stitch Fix. These are a pair of suede tall boots. They're Vince Camuto footwear. They're a tall boot in tan, size 11, which is my size, $229. So I'm going to pan the camera down so we can talk about these in a little more detail. All right, guys, so here are these boots. They sort of have a Western kind of toe and heel. The suede is beautiful. The color is beautiful. I don't love that looser ankle. You guys can see. So I think for the price, I probably will send them back. The other issue too is, even though I love the idea of a real suede, I feel like one drop of water, one snowflake, and these are going to be not looking their best. So I think I'm going to get a tall brown or tan boot in a synthetic that will stand up better to my Minnesota winters. All right, now I have 3 more pieces on. Again, I don't know if I would style these together, but I figured for the sake of time, we'll just do them all together. So the first item I have on is so it looks like some kind of variation of Serena blazer by Steve Madden Apparel, black, size XL, $34.97. So this is on sale. So this is sort of like the shape of what my friend Carolyn over at Carolyn and Her Clothes calls a lady jacket, right? It's kind of shorter and more boxy cropped. It's like really comfortable, stretchy knit. It's beautifully made. It is lined with buttons. It is a really nice blazer, and I love how the arms are long for me. I'm tall. And it is on sale. So the blazer is a maybe, because I do dress up for work most days in business casual, and I'm always adding a jacket. And as I always tell you guys, I live in Minnesota, so like it's jacket season 10 months a year here. Like I was wearing a jacket today comfortably, and we're still in August. So let me do a quick spin. So we'll have to consider this because it is nice. I do have a lot of different black coats though, so that's something to consider. All right, next item is, I believe, something new to the Stitch Fix inventory. This is the Lucky & Coco Mariah button-down blouse in black. This is an XL, $59, so full price, which is fine, but it is really cute. It has kind of a balloon sleeve. It actually is kind of short, so I don't think you would tuck it in. These are real buttons. It's got pleating. It's very kind of feminine, romantic. It's got this oversized floral print, kind of a dark floral, which is cute for fall. This is very pretty. I will spin again. believe it might even be cotton too. It doesn't feel polyester. So I do like this. I'm kind of thinking I might wait to see if it goes on sale and order it later, or maybe I just don't need it at all because I do have a lot of floral blouses. All right, last item is really fun. So I don't know if you guys have noticed, but Stitch Fix now has lots of denim between the $50 and $70 mark, which is fantastic, right? When I first started as Stitch Fix client and then as a stylist, I feel like most of our denim was at the $80 to $100 mark and even higher. And in the last year or two, we've been just adding some more affordable denim, which I love because I love jeans, but I also don't want to pay a premium for them. Partially because I just don't wear them every day. So let's talk about these. These are the Poppy and Grace floral printed straight jean, size 12, $49. So why I was drawn to these is they have a really cute, like light floral print. They are a bit more of a wide leg, which I haven't really spent a lot of money on wide legs. So this could be, they say straight, but they kind of have a little bit of a wider look. And they fit really well. So I will do a spin with these. These are cute. They do have a ton of personality. And then, okay, let's talk about the length. So I am 5'10", and I have long limbs, and these are really long. I think it's a 32 or 33 inseam, but they fit me really comfortably. So again, that $50 price point is so enticing, isn't it? It just makes you think, I'll keep them. So I think I have two more things to show you guys. All right, next I have on the 9 Britain landed lace yoke corset knit top, size large, $49. I think this is another new to our inventory item. We do usually have some sort of lace kind of top like this every season, and I've bought it before and I don't wear it very often, so I'm not sure why I sent this to myself again. But other than the fact that it is really cute. And I actually do like that it's sleeveless. I don't think it's like the most flattering on me, but I do look lace. So if you're looking for something like this, I would recommend it. Also, it is stretchy and there is ruching in the back, so you get that fitted look, but you don't feel like you're getting squeezed. It's not a real corset. So let me step back here. I'll do a spin. I don't think it's the most flattering on me, but I do think it's cute. And if you want something like this to wear with jeans or with some fun pants to go out for like a date night or a concert night, this is fantastic. And it's not itchy at all, because sometimes right lace can be a little itchy. All right, let me show you the last item. Last, I have on the Flag and Anthem Brimley button-up top in pink, size large, $23.97. So again, it's on sale, but it has major fall vibes with this sort of plaid flannel look. So it is really comfortable, really soft. As I said, has that great kind of plaid, casual fall vibes to it. It's pink with some black and white, which I do love pink. I'll do a quick spin here, and tuck so you guys can see. It's not too long, but you definitely can tuck it in, and you can wear it open with a tee. I'll do a spin. Obviously, the price is right on this item. The one thing that's kind of holding me back is if you guys watch my channel, you know that I just don't do plaid that often, especially when it's sort of as a top. I do like plaids when they're like cute little kind of feminine skirts, but my style I would say is uber feminine, so this doesn't always match up with me, but it is really nice. So if you're looking for a good deal and a nice little plaid button-up, I would recommend this. All right, guys, so there are my 8 items. Again, I'm still loving these bigger fixes. It's just fun to have more to try on. I would say the 2 front runners in this would be that blazer for $35, because I just feel like it's something I would keep forever and will look good with so many things. I also do like that crop length, because sometimes you want to accentuate your waist when you're adding a blazer to your look. And then I think the Poppy and Grace floral print straight leg jeans are super cute for $49. And I think they're kind of distinctive, and I don't know if I'd find them another place. So I got to think about it. I've already actually purchased a couple pairs of jeans this year, mostly boot cut, because I sort of like the slimmer in the thigh style, but I don't mind like the wider leg at the ankle. So let me know what you guys think of these jeans and the jacket. The other items were nice, but nothing I really need. I was a little disappointed in the skirt color. It was supposed to be burnt orange, but it kind of came off as brown. I don't love brown, but it was nice. And the white blouse was nice. The boots also nice. I just don't know if I want that looser ankle, and the cost for real suede might not be worth it in my very wet, snowy climate. Anyway, if you like this kind of content, please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, definitely say hello in the comments, and feel free to tell me how your Stitch Fix experience has been and what you like and what you're hoping to see in your next fix. Okay, thanks guys, bye! So just a quick follow-up here, you guys. I watched the video back. I don't think I'm keeping anything in this box. Like, nothing was bad, but nothing was spectacular. So sometimes, you know, even when you think you have some winners, you kind of think it over and you're like, nah. So it's all going to go back. Oh well.